So today I decided to go visit my grandparents, and first stop, I needed to get some flying saucer pies because my grandfather loves the lemon cream pie from there. So he's going to be super excited when I show up with these. So we get there, and of course he has to talk about all the old photos. My grandmother wanted me to make breakfast, and of course I always oblige to my grandmother's wants and needs. So today, as usual, it's going to be Mexican chorizo with egg. In the meantime, my grandfather loves to give things to my husband, and of course he gave him this spiffy suit. And my tia Diana said, "Move out of my way, I don't have time for your vlog." But look at this, the breakfast is ready, so I'm going to make a whole bunch of tacos for everybody. And here's my abuela. She loves the butter-flavored flour tortillas from Mi Tienda. Love this lady. So after making all these tacos, it's time to eat. I know this is a simple breakfast taco, but something about my grandmother's house and the taco with the coffee, it's so good. So my grandfather, again, is giving and bequeathing things away, which I get it. He's at that age where he thinks he needs to make sure everyone has a little something before he goes. We love him. But check out these sunglasses. I like them. I love having conversations with my grandparents, and at some point, I already know my grandfather wants me to take him to his favorite seafood restaurant, Golden Seafood, and he loves to get the sopa de marisco or just the seafood soup that's there. He insisted on carrying the food, so there's Grandpa. And of course, I had to stop at our local panderia, our Mexican bakery, because my grandfather loves to get the tamales and sweetbread from there. And now we're back home, and now we're just enjoying their company. And my kids, they absolutely adore them.